Hi guys, just wait a minute. I'm going to get my sandal. Okay. Hi guys. Aray. I'm done for today. This week. I having fun a lot, and I need to go back to work tomorrow. So I just want to say thank you guys for watching my vlog, my channel. I enjoy. I'm so excited already. I dance this week. Say lots of karaoke, general cleaning, doing cooking, and then I'm glad that I have a good off because we need to laugh too. And I just want to say to my 186 subscriber, what? I got you laugh now. And because of Harley, of course, my baby Harley, rest in peace. Thank you, baby. I have 186 followers now because of you. I miss you a lot. And to my family in the Philippines, Cebu. Hoy, amping taon mo din ha, kay may bagyo daw. Okay, mga bata. I miss you guys. Okay. To my beautiful sister sa Australia, amping din ha, okay? Pag YouTube, sad, sis, mag-karaoke ka. Kuan, mag-busy mo ka sa imong chicken din ha, eh. Sa panghatag din ha, kay ato nang lutuon, chicken adobo. Okay guys, that's all for this week, okay? I love you guys. Love and peace everyone.